anything, can you please tell us the conversation you had with me or with Senator Lacson on the matter of the problem that we have right now?
Sir, allow me to read my statement.
Please.
As a public servant, we have a greater responsibility to always put the welfare of others before ourselves. As the lead agency in legal drugs campaign, PDEA's goal is to clear our country of this menace. Last September 16, during the Senate Committee budget hearing, I was asked if recycling of drugs is still rampant. I answered in the affirmative, citing the particular case being handled by PDEA, NBI, and the PNP since 2018 about a drug queen in Metro Manila who buys illegal drugs from ninja cops. The same drug queen was a target of previous operations by the NBI. That statement opened a Pandora's box. A lot had happened. A statement against a statement were issued. Again, the country is divided. Ultimately, if we keep our eye on the wall, recycling of illegal drugs and other illegal activities do really happen in the law enforcement. Even PDEA, as I repeatedly declare, is not spared from this practice. Records from PDEA Internal Affairs Service show 5 PDEA personnel were dismissed because of recycling. Out of the 5 employees, 2 are agents, 3 are admin personnel. 1 is chemist, another one is the driver, and another one a dangerous drugs laboratory officer. It was never my intention to malign the Philippine National Police, the same agency which I served and protected for the past 36 years of my professional life. PNP made me who I am today. Knowing the sad reality of recycling of illegal drugs does not make PNP or PDEA looks bad or worse. It means we have to exert all means to cleanse our ranks and put a stop to the cycle. It also means that while we are battling the illegal drug syndicates outside, we also need to launch an even greater battle against the demon inside our own backyards. This is a bigger challenge that all members of the law enforcement sector face. We have to respond to this challenge, not later, but now. Sir, I am in deep pressure and quandary during the last hearing. I was thinking of my family who are now put in much deeper danger. A few days ago, I received a phone call from a friend who confirmed that some personalities are plotting against my family. The exact words are, "Sir, pinaghahandaan nila ang pamilya."